Hi guys, today I am going to discuss the 11th MCQ of 2020 chemistry A-level paper. So this question comes from organic chemistry. So let's start the video. Okay, now you saw the question, right? Now this question exactly coming from the organic chemistry, but it has a little bit of a touch of physical chemistry too. Okay, now let's talk about the boiling points, right? It's just a comparison, and it's the very beginning of the question paper. It's 11th MCQ. So what we are going to focus on is the van der Waals forces and other hydrogen bonding. Those are the things that we are going to focus on. All right. Now, just look at the functionality of the given compounds. There are 5 compounds. Okay. Now, A and B, you can see the A and B are just alkanes. Okay, just alkanes. A is unbranched and B is branched. So exactly, definitely the boiling point of branched alkanes is lower than the unbranched alkanes. Okay, so that's the fact, because when the alkane is unbranched, it has a very high specific surface area to interact with other molecules. Okay, so when it is branched like this, it won't have much surface area to get contacted with other alkanes like that. Okay, so when you compare A and B, just A and B, the boiling point of A must be higher than B. So this part should be there in the answer. All right. And when we compare C and D, just C and D, all right. What are those? Those are aldehydes, right? The functionality of C and D is aldehydes. So they are aldehydes. So the previous fact is coming there too. Okay, C is unbranched, and whereas D is branched. So according to the previous fact, C is definitely higher in boiling point than D. So this variation must be there. And finally, we have an alcohol. An alcohol, it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. So it's pentanol. Pentanol, right? It's pentanol. So pentanol. So definitely, this must be the highest boiling point around out of all 5, because it forms a hydrogen bonding, right? It forms hydrogen bonding, so it must be the highest. Unfortunately, in all 5 answers, we have the the highest boiling point belongs to the compound E. So we don't have to deal with anything. So A and B. So you can see this variation. This is true, and this is true, and this is the highest. This one is the highest. So and also this part is definitely lower than C and D, because A and B are just alkanes, but C and D, they have some polarity in their functionality, right? They have some polarity because it has a heteroatom like this. It has a oxygen element in their compound, right? This part. So that's a heteroatom, and it shows some polarity. Therefore, this part must be lower than C and D. All right, it's all about functionality, and this is of course higher. So you can see this variation only can be found in the answer 2, right? In the answer 2. And in answer 5, you can see all these squares, because I have put this square and this square and this square. You can find them in the answer 5 also. But this it puts D as the lowest boiling point. It cannot happen because it's an aldehyde. It has some polarity. so it cannot be the lowest boiling point anyways. All right, so so the answer is 2, because it shows this variation, right? So please subscribe to my channel to watch some more MCQs like this, and join our Telegram group also. The link is in the description. Okay, so until we meet on the next video, goodbye.